The person you'll be in 5 years is watching every decision you're going to make today. Think about that. 5 years from now, there's going to be another version of you. Maybe they're healthy. Maybe they're stronger. Maybe they're financially more secure. Maybe they're finally at peace. Or maybe they're still making the same excuses. The person you come in 5 years is dependent on what you do today. 5 years ago, I could never imagine doing this. I was 300 pounds, headed down the wrong road for sure. I wasn't taking care of myself, certainly not my body the way I should have. I had every excuse in the book. Mr. Excuse was the t-shirt. Every excuse was the same. But one day, I realized something. The man I wanted to become was depending on me to make a different decision that day. Not next year, not Monday, not New Year's, today. So I started doing this, walking. Not because I loved it, especially getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning, but I knew I needed it. I started eating differently. Not because it was easy, gosh, it's not. But future me in 5 years deserved better. I finally quit drinking. Not because I was guaranteed a better life, that's for sure. But because I knew the life that I wanted could not be built on the habits that were destroying me. None of those decisions changed my life overnight, none of them. But every one of them changed the direction of my life, every one of them. It's the part people miss. Success isn't one giant decision, you flip a switch. It's thousands of small ones. Every time you choose the walk instead of the couch, your future notices and improves. Every time you choose water instead of another drink, your future notices. Every time you put $5 into savings instead of buying a Starbucks, your future notices. Every time you forgive someone and don't get mad or keep your word, every time you refuse to quit, you're becoming someone new. The person that you're going to be in 5 years, they're not helping you become perfect. They're hoping that you just don't give up. Every decision you make today either keeps you where you are or moves you closer to the life you want to live. All the hopes and dreams are that way. Here's my question to you, Gen X. If your future self could sit down beside you, would they thank you? Or would they beg you to please stop making these excuses? If you got anything out of this message today, please type I'm in so I can see you following along with me. If you'd like some help, I'm an accountability coach. Hit me with a DM. I want to hear your story. Appreciate you guys following along. Remember, you have to get up every single day for the rest of your life and do one thing to get you closer to your dreams. Thanks, guys, and I see you on the next one.